welcome to another episode of Friend Outdoors.
On today's episode, Mark joins Devin Metzger as they are hunting a Southeastern Ohio wild turkey. The guys move up onto a ridge at dark, and as dawn approaches, they hear a few birds gobbling from the roost. They pick one out and they start moving in his direction. They get set up and they put their decoy out and they make some soft calls. But eventually the longbeard flies down and heads in another direction with some hens. So the guys gather up their stuff and they start moving around trying to find another hot gobbler. Eventually they hear a bird gobbling, they make some calls, and the tom responds. They move in a little closer, they get their decoy set out, they get up against a tree and they start making some calls. The bird is responding and he acts like he's interested. Eventually they can tell the tom is starting to head in their direction, so they get ready. Here's what happens. This gobbler is answering our calls and appears to be getting closer. As the tom stands out there gobbling, he's wanting the hen to come to him.
You's making me nervous.
Huh?
You's making me nervous.
Me? What?
He started turning around.
Oh yeah, that's why I shot.
My name's Devin Metzger. I'm from Patriot, Ohio. We're hunting out here in Center Point, Ohio on some government property, public hunting area. We got in here earlier this morning. We had some birds hot on the roost, and we got up here and got on as best we could, and boy, they just worked right in just like they're supposed to. It was a good hunt. Had a lot of fun. We got it on film. It was nice.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Here's a quick recap of this hunt. Today we were hunting with Devin Metzger. Devin lives in Ohio, southeastern Ohio, so we went over there to chase some wild turkeys. He said he'd been hearing several in his area, so we went over there and we hunted hard that morning with no luck early. A little later in the morning, we started covering a little more ground, trying to locate a bird. We stopped at this one location, we climbed the hill, and as we're going back in there, we heard a bird gobble. So we quickly started making our way down the ridge to this bird that was gobbling. We got set up, we put our decoys out, and I proceeded just to make some calls. We were just sitting on the ground against trees, so Devin's to my right, probably 15 yards away or so. So we'd made a signal that I would try to kiki run whenever I wanted him to take the shot if we got a bird to come in. So as I called a little bit, this bird was really hot, and the hunt probably took place in 15-20 minutes. It was really quick, but the bird was gobbling. We could tell he was heading in our direction. But as you see, the woods were pretty open there, which made pretty good for filming, but it made it easy for him to see us as well. Eventually, he come up there and he committed. I probably could see him coming for about 100 yards. He strutted all the way out through there. He got really close to me. He was probably within, I'm gonna say 15 yards of me. Again, Devin was to my right. And I think the bird, again, he knowed something was up. That decoy just wouldn't move, and he started drifting back the way he come. So I proceeded to make the call for Devin to shoot, and I was getting nervous. I thought Devin was going to let him get away from us, but Devin took the shot. The bird went down. It was a great time. It was a great hunt. We're so happy to capture it on film. It's pretty tough to do that, especially outside of a blind. You got to be so still and have good cover. Luckily, we were sitting in the shadows, and the bird, he come right in. I thought he saw us, but it worked out for us. We was able to capture it on film. So again, we made memories. It was a great hunt and a great time. Hey, if you like this video, please hit that thumb up like button. We really appreciate it. Think about subscribing to our channel. Again, it doesn't cost you anything. We truly appreciate your time. If you got any comments, leave them below and we'll try to answer them for you. Also on this channel, we got a lot of short videos. Most of these are just 15 seconds, and there are a lot of different animals. We really think you'll like them if you give them a chance. We'd also like to thank our military personnel. Thank you for your service. Now for a preview of an upcoming episode on Friend Outdoor Adventures.